You woke up today and thought you chose what to wear, what to eat, what video to click. But what if I told you, you didn't choose anything at all? What if every decision you make is just an illusion? We all believe we have free will, the power to choose what we do, how we think, and who we become. It's how we define ourselves. I chose this. I decided that. I'm in control. But what if that belief is just a story your brain tells you? In 1983, a neuroscientist named Benjamin Libet conducted a strange experiment. He asked people to move their fingers whenever they wanted. Just a random flick. Simple, right? But here's the twist. The brain's electrical activity, called the readiness potential, was detected almost half a second before the person consciously decided to move. Let that sink in. Your brain decided to move before you did. So who's actually calling the shots? You? Or the complex machine inside your skull? Think about it. You don't decide your thoughts. They just pop in. You don't choose your emotions. They just happen. You don't even control your own heartbeat. So what makes you so sure you're choosing anything at all? Our choices are shaped by things we never chose. You didn't pick your genes. You didn't pick your parents. You didn't pick your childhood, your culture, or even the language you think in. By the time you're old enough to decide, your brain is already wired with habits, fears, and preferences. It's like a movie that's already written. You're just watching it play out. But if we have no free will, are we still responsible for what we do? Great question. Most philosophers say, even if we don't choose freely, we can still hold people accountable, because actions still have consequences. You might not choose your anger, but you can learn to manage it. You didn't pick your trauma, but you can heal from it. So maybe freedom isn't about control. Maybe it's about awareness. What happens when we let go of the illusion? Surprisingly, we find peace. Because you stop blaming yourself so harshly. You stop judging others so quickly. You understand everyone is reacting to something deeper, their biology, their history, their pain. And in that understanding is power. You might not have free will like you think, but you can still choose to be present, to be kind, to be aware. And sometimes that's enough. So the next time you think you're making a choice, pause, ask yourself, did I choose this thought or did it just arrive? Maybe you'll realize that the mind is like a river and you are just floating in it. But in knowing that, you gain something deeper than control. You gain understanding. You are not the thinker of your thoughts. You are the observer. Like if this challenged your mind. Subscribe for more deep dives into the human brain and comment below. Do you believe in free will, or is it just a beautiful illusion?